Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly, fan, and heatsink. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the left microphone ZIF connector and disconnect the left microphone ribbon cable from the system board. Carefully remove the left microphone from the alignment pins and adhesive on the wireless antenna bracket. Remove the left microphone. Replacement. Insert the left microphone ribbon cable into the left microphone ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Place the left microphone onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure and gently apply pressure to adhere it into place.